By simply cleaning the oxygen sensor. Vibrations can be annoying and even indicate that something is off with your vehicle. First, locate the oxygen sensor. It is usually found in the exhaust system. Make sure to have the right tools ready for the job, such as a socket wrench and a wire brush. Next, carefully disconnect the sensor from the wiring harness. Be gentle to avoid damaging the connections. Once it is removed, you can inspect it for any dirt or buildup that could cause problems. Using your wire brush, gently clean the sensor to remove any debris. Take your time and ensure it is thoroughly cleaned. A clean sensor can significantly improve your car's performance and reduce vibrations. After cleaning, reattach the oxygen sensor back to its original place and securely connect the wiring harness. Start your car to see if the vibrations have reduced. If done correctly, you should notice a smoother ride. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Our expertise becomes your competitive advantage. Draw